If you've been dealing with lower back pain, you're probably looking for the best exercise to help your back. The truth is there's only one exercise that will do the job. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Josh. Today's episode is going to be about lower back pain and the single best exercise that you can do to finally fix your low back pain once and for all. I know this is going to be controversial, but guess what? It's the deadlift. And you might be thinking, no, it can't be the deadlift. It hurts so many people's low back. It's hurt my low back pain before, but the truth is it's actually a great exercise. The reason people think it's a bad exercise is because of many reasons, but namely they have really poor posture and poor technique when they're doing it. They don't have good load management, meaning they don't know how to lift properly. They go up too fast or too soon, and they don't have the sum of the parts equal the whole. This means they may have some weakness within the core or the lower back or the hips, and then they try to deadlift, and guess what has to give? The back has to give, and that causes a lot of strain on it. So yes, you are correct. If you do not deadlift properly, you're probably going to get hurt and you're probably going to hurt your low back. But if you actually learn how to deadlift properly, you can actually fix lower back pain. Now, you might be wondering, what should I be doing? But you have to take the deadlift as a whole. It is a great foundational exercise, meaning it helps your upper body, your core, your hips, your pelvis, everything below it. And it helps to compound those movements because there's multiple joints. And if you want a strong, healthy spine, you can't just work just the lower back. You can't just work the pelvis. You have to work the whole system, and a deadlift actually does that. The thing is, you need to be able to take the deadlift as a whole exercise and pick it apart. You need to have strong glutes. You need to have strong hamstrings. You need to have good hip mobility. You need to have good strengthening within your core, and then you have to be able to do other things as well. And when you pick apart this one exercise into multiple pieces, you do them independently, then you add them together, and then that's what creates a successful deadlift. Again, the deadlift is super important. It teaches spinal strength, and everybody is different. So when I say a deadlift, I don't necessarily mean that you should be doing the straight deadlift bar at 400 pounds. You should be doing some sort of variation to it. You might be doing a kettlebell deadlift like this. You might be doing a modified deadlift. You might be doing a hex bar deadlift. You might be doing some sort of Romanian deadlift or some sort of modification. But if you understand that the deadlift is actually a huge important to rehabilitation and strength training for not just the spine and the pelvis and the hips, but the entire body, I promise you, you are going to see better results in your lower back pain. I have done this thousands of times with thousands of patients, and every single person who can go from pain to getting better and stronger and then eventually reintegrate a deadlift, that's how you know you're ready for the next level. That's how you know you're ready to build strength. And that's how I know with a lot of confidence as a practitioner that the person is ready to move on and to be able to progress into some sort of strength training program. So the deadlift, when done properly, is phenomenal, and I promise you it will help you not only in your jiu-jitsu game, your lifting game, your back pain prevention, but it's going to make sure that other facets of your life is just much healthier. So make sure that if you can get somebody to help you with your back pain, to help you get to deadlifting in some sort of variation, I promise you it's going to help you. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you for the next episode.